First five from Birds, Opalek, Agustin, Desmundo, Carrillo, and Rasalan. To Magnolia, Carian, Cruz, Adaro, Martinez, and Luis. First five po na tinawag. Kita na po tayo.
Bago natin na umpisa ng game, lahat ng players, pumunta muna sa gitna. May reminders lang. Galing sa ating mga referees. Lapit lang kayo ng konti sa referee para maintindihan nyo. Thank you, Rep. Luiles, Commissioner of ABC. Good luck, both teams. Play good defense, but play clean.
Birds, Opalek, Agustin, Desmundo, Carrillo, and Rasalan.
Yan, yung unang nakakuha ng bola, nilayap, napitawan. Turnover agad. Oh, naman sa kabila. Rasalan to Carrillo. Last touch, blue. Garo sumablay. Rebound, binabang. Wala po ang ating Mike. Load. Load yun. Pinasa kay Adaro. Ay Cruz ay kay Carian. First 2 points of the ball game. Courtesy of Carian. Agustin, pinasa kay Chismundo. Wala. Ang kanyang dress. Load. Load, dire-diretso. Pinabantayan ni Rizal. Pinasa kay Cruz. Cruz, wala. Rebound niya. Yes. Load to Adaro. Back to load. Martinez. Lumabas. Ipalit ngayon. Adaro. Load. 17 seconds. Shot clock. Martinez, ginulo. Wala ang bola. Ball stays with the white. Magiging ba ngayon si Carian? Carian. Martinez. Two bonus shots be awarded to Carian.
Agustin. First foul.
Sablay. Foul. Kita ni ref. Number 5, holding foul. Inbound ulit ni Carian. Load for 3, kapos! Rebound ni wala lang yung dupot ni Martinez. Sino foul ref? Agustin. Number 10. Second shot clock.
Second foul.
Adaro. Ginulo ni Chismundo. Agustin. Pinabantayan ni Load. Binigay sa walang tao. Six minutes, 5 seconds remaining time. Martinez. Ginugulo ni Chismundo. Dire-diretso. Binigay kay Adaro. Adaro, wala. Agawan. Oh, last touch, blue. White.
Iya, no? Sabi na, ano tayo? 3 minutes. Substitution.
Substitution, mandatory substitutions.
Mga isa.
Finito. Sumakaya. Wrongly. Wala. Rebound Bautista. Nakuha ni Rasalan. Nahabol ni Load. 4 is our score in favor of Magnolia. 14 seconds shot clock. Ronly. Nakuha ni Lord. Yes. Rosalan. Thinking 3, binigay kay Do to make foul. Foul number 08. Pasok yung unang Charlie Do. Second free throw. Yes. Pasok. Eight 6 is our score. Lowest scoring ball game. Jacob, guarded by Andres. Sinapik. Muntik na mawala ang bola. Makaya. Sumalaksak. Yes. Rosalan brings the ball for the white team. Binigay kay Bautista. Nagkagulo. Nakuha pa rin niya. Wala. Lumabas. Last touch, blue team. Five seconds shot clock. Nakagawang bola. Load. Dire-diretso. Binigay kay Quito. Quito overshoot. Load. Follow up. Wala. Load. Foul. Foul. Do.
First personal foul, 12 foul, running for penalty. Out the boards.
Load for the first free throw. Wala. Second free throw ni Load. Short. Gawan sa rebound. Nakuha ni Bautista. Foul. Ref. Who's foul? Makaya. Makaya, first personal foul. Wow, nice layup. Jacob pa rin. Hinito, thinking 3, nilapit. Tapos, nakuha ni Load ang rebound. Binabantayan ng Andres. Load, sumalaksak. Wala, in and out. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista, dumire-diretso. Wala. Nagkagawa ng rebound. Kinkinito, nakakuha ng bola. Ronly, tumakaya. Makaya, dumire-diretso, side-stepping. Wala. Foul, sabi ni number 9, Andres. Penalty.
First personal foul, penalty.
Makaya. Tapos ang kanyang unang buslo. Second free throw is good. Andres ngayon ang point guard ng White. Rosalan. Bautista. Praxides pala yun. Sorry, hindi pala Bautista. Kanina pa ako Bautista ng Bautista. Praxides pala. Jacob. Pinabantayan ng Andres. Makaya. 4-3, wala. Derecho, derecho. Fernandez sidestepping in and out. Rosalan. Yes. 2 points for two. Converge in favor 12-11. Kinita ngayon ang naging point guard. Binigay kay Cruz. Cruz! Yes! Rosalan. To Praxides. Praxides overshoots. Ronley for the rebound. Siya na rin ang nagbaba ng bola. To Cruz. Turnover. Turnover po tayo. Substitution. Andres out. Gesmondo in. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. Rosalan. 17 seconds remaining. Praxides. Oh, foul.
0-8. Second personal foul. Third foul.
1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Walang kanyang unang free throw. Shoot timeout! White team!
Timeout!
Hindi pa na pwede timeout.
Warning, converge for delaying the game. Wala pong timeout.
Okay, tuloy po tayo. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Cruz, bringing down the ball. Binigay kay Adaro. Adaro sumalaksak. Short jumper, wala. Praxides for the rebound. Binigay kay Rosalan. Rosalan thinking three. Overshoots. Oh, nagkagulo sa rebound. Sino foul?
Fernandez.
Fernandez.
0-2.
Magnolia in favor. Score is 13-12. Free throw ni Cruz, wala. Free throw ni Cruz. Short! Ano nangyari kay Cruz? Fernandez. Nagbababa ng bola ngayon. Para sa Magnolia. Ganda ng pasa. Adaro, Cruz. Cruz sa tapikan. Wala. Praxides. Binigay kay Fernandez. Fernandez for the layup. Yes! Time out.
Magnolia.
$36 seconds remaining time in the
16,
first quarter.
14 in favor of Converge. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. 36 seconds remaining time. Jacob inbounds the ball. Bringing down the ball. Madaro pa rin. Makaya for 3. Wala. Praxides for the rebound. Binigay kay Fernandez to Razalan. Razalan running shot. Yes! 13 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds. End of our first quarter.
Score. Converge 18. Magnolia 13. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Tayo.
Alright, second quarter na po tayo. Agustin, Gasmundo, Tabuco, and Praxides for the white team. Makaya, Lord, Martinez, Carian, and De Los Reyes for the blue team. Agustin, to Praxides. Praxides, si Carino pala yung nasa loob na isa. Praxides, wala. Lord for the rebound.
Oh, good.
Lord, natumba.
Traveling.
Traveling. Agustin receives the ball. Pass to Gasmundo. Fakes. Turnover.
Magnolia ball.
De Los Reyes. Running the point. Pass to Lord. Lord. Fakes. Binabantay ni Gasmundo. Then to shoot. Ulagaw. Agustin for the layup. Oh. Foul De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes first personal foul. 2 bonus free throws to be awarded to Agustin. First free throw. Medyo malakas. Second free throw. Yes. Shoot yung second. De Los Reyes.
Mayroon 13. Fail at the board.
Makaya, pass to Carian. Wala. Praxides for the rebound. Binigay kay Agustin. Agustin ngayon. Pinapantayan ni Makaya. Gasmundo to Carino. To Buko. Muntik na masundot. Tabuco for the short jumper. Wala.
Same shoot.
Hindi, sa reception. Yes. Oh, turnover. Tabuco. Wala. Tabuco last touch. 10 seconds to shoot. Load for 3. Short. Rebound, Roxides. To Gesmundo. Gesmundo for the rebound. Blocked by Load. Nakuha na Agustin. To Tabuco.
Score natin 21-13.
Turnover po tayo. Load, impounding. Julius Reyes, ginugulo ni Agustin. Foul.
Team. Second personal foul.
Julius Reyes, will inbound.
Team foul. Score natin 21-13. In favor of Condor.
Makaya for 2. Overshoot. Napunta kay Julius Reyes. Julius Reyes. Sukarian. Foul. Second personal foul. Sorry. Ten-second shot clock. Jacob for 3. Wala. Makaya for the offensive rebound.
21-15 also.
Roxides. Yes. Muntik na ma. Drop.
So,
Hindi pa pwede mag-stop. Julius Reyes with the ball. Binigay kay Martinez. Martinez na nasumpot ko na rin nyo. Load, wala. Makaya for the offensive rebound. Sarinho fakes and drives, wala. Makaya. Julius Reyes, wala.
Hey, ito, likod! Hey!
Makaya 3 points. Roxides. Roxides for 3, short. Martinez, Load. Load drives. Binigay kay Carian for 3. Wala. Nagkagawan, Martinez. Open. Tabuco.
Committee timeout. Substitution.
Mandatory substitutions po tayo.
Score po natin 23-18 in favor of Condor.
Six minutes and 1 second
Okay, back to
remaining
the
time.
ball. Pasok na yung mga mandatory. Okay, ready.
Adaro in the ball game. Load. Bababa.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Adaro for 3. Oh, masyadong mataas ang boarding. Offensive rebound ni Cruz. Foul. Foul, Tabuco.
Third.
Wala yung first free throw ni Cruz. Second free throw by Cruz. Out and in. Rosalan. To Gesmundo. Gesmundo. Wala. Load. Dire-diretso. Dire-diretso si Load. Dire-diretso reverse. Yes.
Okay, dalawa lang ang kalamangan. 23-20. Lamang pa rin ang
Rosalan.
dalawa.
15 seconds to shoot. Opalek for 3. Medyo tabingi. Ronley. Load. Diretso na naman. Guarded by Gesmundo. Foul. Substitution, ref.
Substitution. Pasok na ito.
Substitution. 2 in. Gesmundo out.
Warning for penalty converge.
2 free throws
Desmond
for Load.
foul.
Load first free throw in. Second free throw, Load, yes, nothing but net.
23-23.
Nabuko, yes.
Yes, sir. 25-23.
Adaro.
Naman ng dalawa ang converge.
Adaro, binabantay ni Andres. Adaro, stop. Foul, sabi ni ref. Foul,
Penalty na po, penalty converge.
do second personal foul.
Penalty po.
Penalty.
Pro.
First free throw by Cruz. It's good.
Hindi ka sobra. Ayaw mo umiti. Tignan mo. Focus!
Second free throw.
Woohoo!
Short. Oh, nagaw ni Bungolan. Bungolan to kick. Load. Load to Adaro. Adaro. Sumalaksak. Nasuntutan. To Rezalan. Rezalan for the layup. Yes.
27-24. Takbo. Converge. 4 minutes and 12 seconds.
Load ngayon ang guardia ng Converge sa Magnolia. Load. Load. Pass to Bungolan. Bungolan. Yes. Rezalan. Rezalan is spinning. To Opalek. Opalek for 3. Overshoot. Turnover.
Substitution. Side.
Substitution. 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 Bigay. Sandali. Umaya na. Adaro ngayon ang point guard ng Blue. To Karian. Karian for 3. Medyo malakas. Rebound Andres. Rezalan. Rezalan. Rezalan to Opalek. Opalek for the layup. Malakas. Oh.
Sandali. Referee.
White
White
ball.
ball. Substitution.
Substitution.
Pasok na yung mga ano.
3 minutes, 17 seconds
May
remaining
referee po
time.
tayo. Hayaan po natin yung referee mag-decision. Ready. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Fernandez. Walang mapasaan. Binigay kay Rezalan. Rezalan. Binigay kay Praxines. Foul. Sinong foul? Ref. Number 15, Cruz.
First take foul, Cruz.
10 seconds shot clock.
Second team.
Praxines.
Substitution.
Turnover. Substitution, ref. Jacob
Out.
in for Kit.
Makaya in. Rito out. Okay, ready. Back to the ball game.
2 minutes, 58 seconds. Adaro brings down the ball. Pass to Makaya. Makaya to Adaro. Adaro, umikot, nag-curl to the jump shot, tapos Roxides for the rebound, Rosalan. Layup, Fernandez, wala. Nakaya for the rebound. Nakaya, sidestepping, wala. Roxides for the rebound. Roxides, numero derecho, Pinoy step, wala.
Ayun ang bola, Rob.
Blue ball. Okay, okay si Cruz.
Okay. The remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 27-26, lamang ko ng isa ang combo.
Makaya, 4-3. Makaya, 3 points.
Lamang na po ang Magnolia ng dalawa, 29-27.
Fernandez to Razalan. Razalan guarded by Makaya. Lumaraksak si Razalan. Yes!
Wala na po ang ating ang score. 29-all.
Ganda talaga ng laban.
Ang laban ng Magnolia. Shout out po dyan.
Match na match talaga tong team na to. Ang dalawa. Makaya to Cruz. Cruz lumalaksak. Yes!
Time remaining 1 minute and 21 seconds.
Fernandez to Tabuco for the layup.
Time out Magnolia. Score po natin 31-29 in favor of Magnolia. Warning for Razalan. Razalan, ha? Ingat lang po tayo.
Ingat tayo sa profane language. Baka kayo technical, sayang din ang free throw.
Blue ball.
It's blue ball, remaining time 1 minute and 14 seconds.
Ready, back to the ball.
Delos Reyes inbounding the ball. Nakaya rips the ball. Back
Second
to
quarter na po tayo,
Delos.
1 minute and 8 seconds.
Jacob. To Lod. Kapos. Roxides. Sabi diretso. Roxides. Wala. Rosalan fakes. Lays up. In and out.
Foul by
Foul.
Penalty na
Roxides.
po.
Penalty.
Penalty na po ang Converse.
Time out now, ref.
Time out Converse. Time remaining natin ang nalalabing 48 seconds na lang po ang ating nalalabing oras sa ating second quarter. 31-29 ang ating score, namang pa rin ang Magnolia ng 2 points.
Shout out, ref Jess
Salamat po
Saigo.
sa ating
Nakapagpapawas din.
sponsor, Ustana and Icon.
Welcome to Monters. Bro Jess Saigo.
Sana lang pala, sorry. Salamat po sa ating sponsor, Ustana. Shout out kay Lakay Tuning Mendoza. Salamat po sa inyong suporta at kay Mr. July. Back to the ball game po tayo. Asa na yung oras?
Wala yung ano natin, monitor.
Ayan na. Uy,
48 seconds na lang po ang nalalabi
salamat
sa
po.
ating second quarter.
Shout out sa ating
Two free throws
Brian ng Alcoba.
for Martinez.
George Manuel.
Martinez first free throw is good.
Shout out kay Commissioner Abdul Musin ng Monster.
Martinez, second free throw, short, rebound Roxides. Roxides guarded by Martinez. Now by Makaya. Praxides to Fernandez. To Do. Do, sumalaksak. Do, for 2.
30
Makaya.
seconds.
15 seconds, shot clock. Jacob. For Karian. Karian, yes.
Line ball po tayo. Line ball. Sabi ng referee, Magnolia ball.
Magnolia ball.
14 seconds po.
14 seconds.
ang ating nalalabi.
Martinez. Jacob. 8 seconds. Jacob. Thinking 3. Short. Praxides for the rebound. Wala na ang oras. Shout out Commissioner Musin Abdul.
Grabe ang ang laro, ang laban ng Magnolia at Thunderbirds. Dikitan lang po. 34-31 lamang ang Magnolia ng Bipon. Team 1 Magnolia. Team 2 Thunderbirds. Welcome po sa ating Pandika Monsters. Papawis ng mga katropa. Abangan niyo po ang ating Season 2. Third quarter na po tayo. Third quarter. Okay, back to the game. Lamang po ang Magnolia. Magnolia, Team 1. Team 2, Converge, Step 1. Shout out kay Alvin Masangay. Tatali daw siya sa Season 2.
Start na ang ating third quarter.
Wala na, hindi na pwede. Rated yan eh.
Load. Fakes. Drumive. Wala. Kuha ni Cruz ang offensive rebound. Wala. Praxides.
Wow. 15. Karian. Cruz ba yun? Cruz. Oh, second quarter.
I-evaluate pa ng committee kung pwede si Alvin makatakay.
Rated eh. Irawlit pa natin si makatangay.
Fernandez.
Rated
To
exposure.
Praxides. Back to Fernandez. Dumiretso. Fernandez. Shot jumper. Wala. Offensive rebound. Yes. Good for the rebound. Adaro.
Wala lang po ang kalamangan ng Magnolia. 34-33.
Adaro directing traffic to load. Back to Adaro. Adaro now intercept ni Praxides. Wala, in and out. Makaya. Oh.
Two. Third personal foul, Mr. Dulu.
Do it.
First team foul ng Timbers.
Makaya inbounding.
Time remaining 9 minutes. Parian to Adaro. Adaro for
Oh, yes.
Adaro. Yes, sir. Carry for 2 points.
Fernandez brings down the ball. Gesmundo for 3.
Gismondo, 3 points. Tabla na po tayo. 36 all ang score. Ganda po ng lawan. 36 all.
Makaya to Adaro. Tulog. Low for 3. Shot. Load. Foul. Foul.
Offensive foul, sabi ng referee, no, offensive foul.
Offensive foul pala.
Good.
Offensive.
First foul by
Fernandez.
Second
Fernandez has the ball.
Magnolia.
Fernandez. Praxides. Gesmundo. Short. Rebound by Cruz. Oh!
Single. Blue ball.
Substitution ref.
Yung mga papasok po dyan, pasok. Sige. First and second lang yung minimum natin. Ready. Karian.
Karian for the layup for the Tapal. Cruz recovers. Oh, anong nangyari doon? Basketball ang laro ha.
Sandali, may referee po tayo.
Wait. Tingnan natin.
Blue ball, sabi ng referee. Blue ball. Ayan eh. Correction. Okay, 40 seconds. Oops.
11 seconds. Eleven seconds. Shot clock.
Nakita na kita. Nakita ko na yung kamay mo. Sinalubong mo pa nga sila eh. So may hagdan.
10 seconds.
Kaya, 4-3.
In and out.
Rebound by Cruz. Cruz.
Yes. Nasalan.
38-36 po. Lamang na
Guarded by Carian.
Magnolia.
Agustin. 2. Binigay kay Praxides for the short jumper overshoots. Load for the rebound. Siya na rin nagbaba ng bola.
Time remaining 7 minutes. Post foul. Second personal foul, Ramzalan. Second team foul.
Korean inbounds the ball. Load receiving. Kalma daw, kalma, sabi ni Load. Kalma. 7 seconds. Korean for 3. Overshoots. Fast break. Shoot Tabuco. Wala. Tabuco pa rin. Wala pa rin. Karian, ginugulo ni Rasalan. Napitawan ng bola. Praxides, dinire-diretso. So, Agustin. Sabi ni ref.
Foul. Foul number 16. Substitution.
Karian out. Bungolan in. Hits. Pumasok.
First team foul, Magnolia.
Pinalitan si Azaro.
Good.
Short stop.
Habla na po tayo, 40-01.
Kinito, guarded para sa lan. Kinito pa rin. Wala mapasahan. Muntik na ma-turnover, binigay ka Load. Load for the layup. Wala.
Same ball.
13 seconds shot clock. 13 na, okay na. Ten seconds. Hit. Hit. Wala. Malakas ang tira. Offensive rebound by Cruz. Oh, wala na. No count.
Offensive foul. Offensive foul.
Substitution ref.
Warning for penalty na po ang Magnolia. Substitution. Third foul
Pasok ang
na po,
pagsasama.
Martinez in. Ready. 5 minutes 50 seconds. Tabla po tayo. 38 all.
Agustin. Tabuko.
Uy.
Foul ulit.
Penalty na po. Penalty na Magnolia.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Last data eh. Last data.
Pangalan, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Penalty na po, penalty ang Magnolia. Cruz, third foul. Pungalo, third foul. Pangulan.
Kapos ang unang Tabuko.
Same one.
Tabuko second free throw. Offensive rebound to Praxides. Fakes. Wala. Praxides for the putback. Yes.
Naman na po ang Converse. 40-38. Gandang laban. Palitan ng laban.
Martinez. Guarded by Rasalan. Martinez. The double team. Makaya.
Time to shoot.
Oh, ganda. Ganda na layup.
Tayo, 40. 5 minutes and 9 seconds.
Rasalan. Do. Sumalaksak. Wala. Martinez for the rebound. Binigay kay Makaya. Makaya. Foul. Foul Praxides.
Okay, substitution. Sub. 13 foul, sabi ko 13 foul.
Praxides,
Second
second
personal
person.
foul, 13 foul.
8 seconds. Shot clock. Makaya. Makaya pa rin. Makaya for the layup. Yes! Tuloy.
Laban na naman ng Magnolia, 40-40.
Bungolan. Makaya. 15 seconds. Load now. Load, dumidiskarte. 8 seconds. Load to Makaya. Makaya for 3. Makaya, 3 points. Time out. Wala. Wala. Ang tira ni Praxides. Load for the layup. Foul.
Nabuko foul.
Time out. White team.
Converse, Converse.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 3 seconds.
Second personal foul, Tabuko. Warning for penalty, Converse. Score po natin, Team 1, Magnolia 45, Team 2, 40, Converge. 5 po kalamangan ng Magnolia. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Shout out ulit kay Commissioner Apol Mosen. At salamat po sa panonood kay Mr. Lakay Mendoza, Tony Mendoza. At ganoon din sa ating heartthrob ng Alcobar, George Manuel ng GCN. Okay, back to the ball game.
Note for the 2 bonus free throws. First free throw, hindi pumasok.
Pumasok. Jumper ready.
Second free throw, nothing but net.
46-40. Anim po ang kalamangan ng Magnolia. Ang blue team.
Roxides. Roxides, short jumper, wala, low for the rebound. De Los Reyes. Inito. Load, naagaw ni Rasalan. Rasalan, dumire-diretso, lumea, pinigay kay Gismundo, Balakas. Load, lumea, Carino. Umarang, anong sabi ni Ref?
Penalty. Penalty na po. Third personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throw. Bonus. Bonus free throw by Mr. Luro.
First free throw, hindi pumasok.
Pumasok ang kanyang free throw.
Second free throw, it's good. Roxides, binigay kay Macaya.
Ito po ang kalamangan ng Magnolia. Time remaining 3 minutes and 14 seconds.
Tapuko lang sinundutan ni De Los Reyes, pero foul.
Ay foul, penalty din. Both penalty.
Penalty.
Both teams penalty po.
Remaining time, 3
De Los
minutes,
Reyes second
12
foul.
seconds.
Shout out ulit kay Mr. Alvin Makatangay. Aabangan po natin siya sa season 2. Ibalhin po ng committee kung makakapasok pa siya sa season 2. First pick po si Alvin Makatangay.
Second free throw by Tabuco. Yes.
Kanino kaya siya mapupunta? Si Makatangay.
De Los Reyes.
First pick po si Makatangay.
De Los Reyes,
Kanino
ginugulo
kaya
ni
siya
Rasalan.
mapupunta? First round
So,
pick.
dinobor team ni Gismundo, muntik ng magawan. Last touch. 8 seconds. Shot. Kickball. Okay. Reset tayo. 14 seconds. Ten seconds. Wala.
Sino foul? Martinez. First foul. Martinez penalty. Substitution. Mr. Load out. Cruz in. Substitution. Pasok po yung mga magsusat. Fernandez. First free throw, wala. 47-41, anim pong kalamangan ng Magnolia. Second bonus shot. Pasok. Oh. 5 po ang kalamangan.
De Los Reyes, ginugulo ni Gismundo. Asto Carian. Carian. Sayang. Nakuha ni Carino. Fernandez, Roxides. Last touch, De Los Reyes.
Last touch.
Fernandez. Survives again. Foul.
Martinez, second foul. Penalty ulit. Shout out kay Mr. Roger Fernandez. ng TBR.
Shout out also to Ramson Ramos.
Mr. Ramson, welcome po. Salamat po sa panonood. Aro, salamat sa suporta.
Fernandez, second free throw is good.
Pasok yun.
Cruz, guarded by Fernandez.
Pasok yung kalamangan ng Magnolia.
Cruz to Martinez. Martinez lays up, blocked by Carino. Carian, thinking three. Carian, overshoots. Rebound by Carino. Pass to Fernandez. Fernandez pa rin. Yesmundo, 4-3. Short. Rebound Carian.
Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds.
Yunus Reyes.
Apat po ang kalamangan ng Magnolia, 47-43.
Oops, ganda ng screen. Yunus Reyes, guarded by Fernandez. Pass to Carian. Dinukot, wala. Rebound Roxides. Wow, malakas. Hindi na nahabol ni Yesmundo.
Grabe, ganda ng laban. Lamang ang lamang. Lamang ang blue team. Magnolia, 47-43.
Martinez,
Time remaining 1 minute
guarded
and
by
5
Fernandez.
seconds.
Mungolan. Carian, guarded by Tabuco. Carian. Walang mapasahan si Carian, binigay kay Martinez.
Shoot!
Julius Reyes, guarded by Gismundo. Julius Reyes for 3. Overshoots. Gismundo for the rebound. Roxides. Roxides, the Ferencio. Foul. Counted.
Counted po. Penalty. Dalawa na lang. Ang lamang ng Magnolia. Penalty. Third personal foul. 47-45. Bonus free throw.
Shout out Aldwin Dosenya.
40
Thank you
seconds.
for coming.
Isa na lang po ang kalamangan. 30 seconds.
29 seconds remaining time. Cruz. Arian, reverse layup. Yes. Seconds.
50 seconds.
Fernandez zigzagging. Wala. Cruz for the rebound. Dongolan.
5 seconds.
Dongolan. Pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes for 3. Wala. End of third quarter.
Grabe. Tatlo ang lamang. 49-46.
What an exciting ball game.
Grabe. Muntik na yung shoot ni De Los Reyes. Tatlo po ang lamang ng Team Magnolia. 49-46.
Ayos ka ba dyan, Musin Abdul? Yes.
Fourth quarter na po tayo. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Parehas pong 1-0. 1-1-1-0. Sino ang mananai? Ang Magnolia ba o ang Condors? Shout out kay George Manuel ng Heart Rock ng Alcuba. Back to the ball game. Last quarter na po tayo. Okay. Ayan na. Napakaganda.
Nagdadata.
Okay.
Susunod na
Ready?
game natin. Agustin ngayon ang gwardiya ng white team. Agustin tumira kagad ng 3 points. Wala. Load for the rebound. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Guarded by Agustin. Makaya zigzagging. Cruz. Load.
20 shoot.
Makaya, yes.
Makaya.
Makaya, kaya talaga. Praxides. Na triple team. Wala, nilo ng bola.
Steal by Lord.
Adaro, guarded by Agustin. De los Reyes to Cruz. Makaya for 3.
Bang! Makaya 3 points.
Nasalan.
54-46.
Tabuko.
Namulubula na.
Lord, kinalawit na pinawan. Tabuko.
Foul Agustin, number 10. Okay.
Inbound ngayon si De Los Reyes. Makaya receive the ball. Guarded by Rasalan. Adaro to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, wala. Hesitate. Adaro.
Traveling violation. Travel to the man.
Hindi nakakuha ng permit. Hook. Long inbound. Intercepted by Adaro. Adaro for the layup. Malakas. Do for the rebound.
Sige.
Do, dinire-diretso. Wala. Foul, Makaya.
Makaya. Second foul. Makaya. First team foul. Second.
54-46 is our score. Do first free throw. Medyo kulang.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds sa ating last quarter.
Second free throw.
Okay.
Wala. Foul spotted by our referee.
Number 15, Cruz. Warning for penalty na si Cruz. Ha? Warning for substitution, stop. Pasok to, substitution. Warning for graduation, Cruz.
Tabuko inbounding. To do. Natapikan na nga. De Los Reyes. To Lord. Yes. Lord. Muntik lang ma-intercept ni Martinez.
10 na po ang talamangan ng Team Magnolia Blue.
Praxides will inbound. Palek. To Rasalan for 3 short. Praxides for defensive rebound. Malakas. Yes, put back by Du. De Los Reyes.
48-56.
Guarded by Rasalan. Naitawid ang bola. De Los Reyes pa rin. De Los Reyes. Foul. 2 for personal fouls.
Warning for graduate din, si Du.
Two fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Los Reyes.
Wala.
Kulang ang unang buslo.
Walo po ang kalamangan ng Team Blue Magnolia. 7 minutes and 49 seconds.
Second free throw, malakas. 2 for the rebound. Mas to Tabuko. Tabuko dumire-diretso. 2 points. De Los Reyes guarded by Rasalan.
Ano po ang kalamangan? 56-50.
Makaya. De Los Reyes. Binigay kay Adaro. Traveling. 7 minutes, 25 seconds remaining time. Do inbounding. Opalek. To Razalan. Razalan for 3. Tapos.
Wala. Substitution? Wala.
Walang substitution. Martinez inbounding. Adaro. Adaro to Martinez. Load. Load pa rin. 11 seconds shot clock. Makaya for 3.
Bang.
Makaya 3 points.
59-50.
Bro, nakagaw. Muntik na pero intercept. Raxides. Diretso using the ball. Yes. Oh, tabingi ang inbound ni Lord. 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Tabuko. To do. Raxides. Ganda naman nun. Adaro. Guarded para sa lang.
59-54.
Adaro pa rin. Adaro. Load. Alma. Load. Guarded by Opalek. Slicing the middle. Wala. Foul. Foul ref. Razalan.
Third personal foul. Razalan.
Opalek is the
Sorry.
guilty.
Foul lang. Relax.
Correction.
Ready.
Opalek, first personal foul. De Los Reyes, thinking 3. Guarded by Tabuco. Adaro. Guarded by Razalan. Makaya for 3. Makaya, 3 points. Umuulan ng 3 points. Si Makaya. Razalan, pass to Opalek. Opalek. Nag-hesitate.
Sub. Carrying in. Martinez out. 62-54.
Tabuco inbounding. 16 seconds. Foul.
17.
Bola pa rin.
Third personal foul.
White team.
Makaya.
To Opalek. To Razalan. Sumalaksak. Wala. Low for the rebound. To Jacob. All alone. Yes.
Time out. Converge. 10 na naman po. Uli ang kalamangan ng Blue Team Magnolia.
5 minutes, 38 seconds.
Team 1, 64, Blue Team Magnolia. Team 2, 54, White Color Converge. Time remaining 5 minutes and 38 seconds sa ating last quarter.
Our second game of the evening, it will be Rain or Shine versus Meralco Bolts. Shout out Romel Barreiro.
Sir Romel Barrero.
Aga dumating.
Sampo. Ano dyan po yan? On special. Ano naman?
Back to the ball game. Razalan inbounding, pass to Fernandez. Fernandez to Razalan. To Praxides. Na double team. Praxides. Wala. In and out. Foul. Sabi ni ref. Out. Number 17, Makaya.
Warning for penalty. Warning for graduation. Makaya.
Tabuco will inbound the ball. Tabuco. Hindi umubra yung kanyang knockout play.
12 seconds.
Tabuko. Bounding. Praxides na tapik. Adaro. Guarded by Fernandez. Numero derecho si Adaro. Foul. Hindi po pwede yung depensa ng galon. Hindi pinalambas ni referee.
Warning for penalty na rin ang Condors. Both teams warning for penalty.
5 minutes, 14 seconds. Load. Guarded by Praxides. Load. Wala. Tabuko for the rebound. Numero derecho to Praxides. Praxides lays stop. 4-2. Lord brings down the ball for the blue team. Pass to Carian.
Walo na lang, Kalamangan, 64-56. In favor of
Carian.
Magnolia.
Pass to Lord. Guarded by Fernandez. Lord.
20 shoot.
Lord pa rin. Lord. Tumiretso. Wala. Praxides for the rebound. Fernandez to Razalan. Razalan for the layup.
Timeout.
Yes, sir.
Magnolia. Hey, anim na lang, 64-58.
What a ball game, mga kapatid.
Both teams penalty, warning. Chris warning for penalty, Makaya warning for graduation. Do warning
Back
for
to the ball
graduation.
game.
Back to the ball game po tayo.
Blue ball will inbound.
Okay,
Load.
blue.
Received by Adaro. Adaro. Pass to Makaya. Makaya. Guarded by Fernandez. Makaya pa rin. Oh! Time ball. 4 minutes, 23 seconds. Praxides receives the ball. Praxides to Tabuko. Tabuko for 2. Adaro.
Apat na
Guarded by
lang.
Razalan.
Gandang laban,
Adaro.
huwag ang Condors.
Adaro pa rin. Adaro. Tumakaya. To Cruz. To Lord. Taas ang pasa. Kinasa kay Razalan. Razalan. Praxides. Wala. Nagkagawan. Makaya. For the rebound. Foul.
Number
Foul.
5.
Razalan.
First personal foul, Razalan. Penalty, penalty. Tatlo nga, tatlo. Penalty ko. Free throw. Penalty, relax.
Kalma.
Relax
Kalma.
lang, relax. Comment lang. Relax lang po tayo. Huwag mainit. Para hindi ma-penalty.
Makaya second free throw is good. 3 minutes, 52 seconds. Tabuko. Walang pinasahan si Tabuko. Balik ang bola sa blue team.
Lima po ang lamang.
Forward inbounding
Ayan na, ganda.
de los Reyes.
Okay.
To Adaro. Adaro guarded by Razalan. Lord. Adaro. To Jacob. To Cruz. Wala. Ball stays with the blue team. Load inbounding. 3 minutes, 31 seconds. Makaya. Thinking 3. Wala. Hindi. May pasa kay Praxides. Fernandez!
Wala to.
Foul number 15. Check natin, sandali lang po.
Sino foul, Red? Sino foul? Sino Reyes? Reyes. Penalty po, penalty. Alam yun, ang bilis kasi dito. Hindi yun sinasadya to. Header steering. Hindi yun sinasadya to, mabilis ka lang. Wala.
Back to tayo.
Kailangan nga eh. Alcohol. Buenos Reyes, warning for graduation. Apat na.
Pakicheck nyo si Fernandez. Make sure na okay siya. Papalag. Wala.
Wala. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Ganda ng laban. 65-60.
Papalag. Second free throw, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound, Tabuco. Offensive rebound, Raxides. Yes. Tabuco, guarded by Papalag.
65-62. Tatlo ang kalamangan.
Cruz. Cruz, guarded by
5
Praxides.
seconds.
Adaro. Adaro pa rin. Adaro, diretso. Yes. For 2. Praxides. Guarded by De Los Reyes. Praxides pa rin. Foul.
Graduate ko po. Buenos Reyes. Penalty, penalty.
De Los Reyes, fifth. Graduate na po si De Los Reyes.
67-62. Hindi pa po ang kalamangan. Wala. First free throw. Yun, pasok.
Load.
Go. 2 minutes and
Adaro.
25 seconds.
Cruz. Guarded by Praxides. Karian.
20 shoot.
Adaro, dumiretso. Karian, reverse lane.
Okay.
Specialty.
Ganda ng laro.
Sires.
69-62.
Praxides pa rin. Praxides for 3. Praxides.
Tatlo na lang. Tatlo na lang. 69-66.
Guarded by Opale. Load. Load, dumire-diretso. Walang mapasan siya. Load, double team, binigay kay Karian. Makaya. To Adaro. Adaro for 3. Overshoots. Rebound by Opale. Pass to Rosalan. Tumatakbo si Rosalan. Rosalan. Yes.
Magnolia. Sana lang po ang kalamangan.
Last 2 minutes.
Ganda, 69-68. 1 point na lang po ang laman ng Blue Team Magnolia. Tumahabol po ang white team ng Converge. Exacto last 2 minutes. Magnolia, saan na lang time out nyo? Converge, dalawang time out nyo. Okay. Okay, back to the ball game. Converge, 2 timeouts. Magnolia, 1 timeout na lang. 2 minutes, 69-68. Sa ating last quarter. Ready?
Load. Guarded. Ginugulo ni Opalek si Load. Adaro. Kay Load pa rin ang bola. Walang mapasahan. Load, dumire-diretso. Binigay kay Cruz. Cruz lays in. Tabuco. Tabuco, guarded by Carian. Muntik na mawala ang bola. Razalan. To Palek. To Palek. For 3. Shoot! Tabuco for the rebound. Tabuco. Tabuco lays up. And one.
Ball out. Bundog. Penalty, penalty.
Correction mo, Makaya pala yun, hindi pala si Tabuco. Pamanhin. Si Makaya po yung lumiyak.
Kailangan.
Makaya's point po yun, hindi kay Tabuco.
Makaya. Nalilito eh, kasi ang ganda ng laban po. Sorry pasensya na po. Ganda kasi ng laban. Intense.
Kailangan ko sa intensity ng laro.
Grabe. Hindi na namin alam kung sino yung tatawagan. 1 minute and 23 seconds sa ating last quarter. Both team penalty. Team 1, blue team, Magnolia 73. Team 2, white team 68 Condors. Last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Back to the ball game. Okay, bonus shot para kay Makaya.
Makaya, yes, sir. Agustin brings down the ball. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Razalan for 3, short, rebound by Cruz. Load now has the ball. Load, guarded by Razalan. Razalan, load pa rin. Adaro, to Makaya. To load.
58 seconds.
Load.
Time to shoot.
Load, penetrates, comes, wala. Tabuco. Foul.
Foul, Adaro.
48 seconds remaining time.
Penalty. 74-68. Uy, wala. First free throw. Okay. Second bonus free throw.
Supply pa rin ang pangalawa. Load for the rebound. Binugulo ni Agustin. Sumabit ang kamay ni Agustin.
Warning for graduation. Agustin. Two bonus free throw by Mr. Lucas, jersey number 34. Grabe. Susunod po nating laban, Rain or Shine versus Meralco.
Load for the first free throw. Nothing but net. Second free throw. Yes. Praxides. Guarded by Adaro. Praxides for 3. Praxides. Masyadong malakas. Tabuco. Reverse layup. Yes. Cruz. Tumakaya. Foul. Razalan.
Mr. Razalan. Warning for graduation. Penalty. Warning for graduation, Razalan. Warning pala, parehas kayo.
First free throw. Hindi pumasok.
6. 6 na po ang lamang. 6 lang ang kalamangan.
Second free throw. Yes, sir. Tabuco inbounding. To 2. Sumalaksak. Wala. Load. To Carian. 26 seconds.
Okay.
Foul.
Tabuco. Third personal foul, Tabuco. Penalty. Bonus. Free throw. Parang
Hindi pumasok ang unang free throw ni Carian. Free throw, wala pa rin. Rebound, offensive rebound by Cruz. And a good Adaro, buting na maagaw. Rosalan for 3, wala. Praxides, offensive rebound.
15 seconds.
Praxides for 3, Praxides, 3 points.
Anim na lang.
12 seconds.
Oops.
10 seconds remaining time.
Praxedes, third personal foul. 10 seconds na lang po. 10 seconds. 79-73. Anim po ang kalamangan. Yun!
Yes, Adaro. Ganda ng nilalaro ngayon na Adaro. Adaro in and out. Agustin for 3. Wala. Praxides for the rebound. Wala. Stepping on the line.
3 na lang. 3.
3
3
seconds.
seconds. Okay, salamat po sa Team Converse at Team Magnolia. 80-73.
Nice game, guys. Our best game
Grabe.
is no other than Makaya.
Ganda.
Please proceed to the center court.
Grabe.